Troubleshooting an LG dryer with clothes too hot.
Items along a timeline read: intro, interrupted cycle, cycle settings, clogged venting, and more info. The temperature drops in a thermometer graphic.
If the clothes in your LG dryer are coming out too hot, there are 3 troubleshooting steps you should take before requesting a repair service. 1. Interrupted cycle. Did you remove the clothing before the cycle had finished?
A man looks into a dryer, holding the door open.
All dryer cycles have a cool-down mode that runs during the last 5 minutes. During this time, air flows, and the drum and clothing continue tumbling, but there is no heat. This allows for the heat from the drying mode to be exhausted out of the drum, and for the clothes to cool.
The timer on the control panel of the dryer ticks down from 6 to 5. Animated air waves flow up through the drum. Heat waves flow away. The temperature drops in a thermometer graphic.
Clothing should be removed only after the cycle has finished.
A man puts on a dress shirt from out of the dryer.
2. Cycle settings. Was the cycle setting appropriate for the load type? Different fabrics have different care needs and requirements. Not following the instructions on the fabric care tag can result in improper drying. Make certain that the settings on the dryer are appropriate for the fabric types in the load.
A person holds a care tag on a garment that reads, 100% cotton. Options illuminated on a dryer control panel display the dry level normal and the temperature level medium. A white dress shirt tumbles in the dryer.
3. Clogged venting. Lint buildup, duct blockage, or a damaged duct can cause clogged venting and exhaust, restricting airflow. The exhaust duct should be inspected and cleaned at least once per year.
Lint clogs the lint trap in a dryer and the duct at the back. A metal duct at the back of a dryer sits disconnected and cracked. Lint lifts away from the duct.
If you perform these troubleshooting steps and the issue persists, then the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page.
An LG webpage reads, Request a repair. Need a repair for your LG product? Request repair service conveniently online. An option to the left reads, Mobile device repair. An option to the right reads, Appliances, TV/audio/video, and computers repair.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions. lg.com/us/support. Icons for Twitter, Facebook, messaging, email, and phone are displayed. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names and marks are the property of their respective owners.